I can't. Pinnacle is starting 2 websites, and then there's 4 more after that. So we're gonna start them this week. Nourish has started with us. So that'll be really cool.
That's the hourly one,
That's
right?
the hourly one,
Okay.
yep. We have our first email marketing client, CPAP. And so we're gonna be starting with them next week. So overall, off to a good start of the week. I'm gonna do it, and I'll get you to help. It'll probably be a combination of both, and actually just it'll be a team effort.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How's it going?
Good.
Is that your shirt?
Nope. Hi, John.
How come you always have this new stuff, and when I ask you, you say nope?
What's I wore before? I wore it when we did the first, the hike? It wasn't the hike.
Gross grind?
Rouse Grind with TCM.
Have you ever done the gross grind?
Nope.
Have you
Nope.
ever heard of it?
Yeah.
Would you ever do it?
Nope.
I was like 14 at the time from the States. And my brother just tore his ACL. And we went up, and I went up with my mechanic, and him and I were close. Like, we were under an hour, but we were close together. An hour and a half is average. So, and my brother's done it in like under an hour for sure. And my teammate, an hour and a half goes by, and my mechanic and I are like, hey, like, they gotta be coming up any minute. 2 hours go by. Now we're getting like a little worried, like, because it's just my brother's knee. Like, he just tore it. He's got his brace, and it's like, you're doing this grind. 2.5 hours go by. We're like, should we go down? Like, something's wrong. And on the 3rd hour, we started to walk down, and they just popped up. And the kid was crying. He had to call home and like talk to his mom. And my brother's like, yeah, it's fine. But he just cried the whole time.
That would be me. I would cry the whole time.
The riddle of the day is, the more you take away from me, the larger I grow.
Decimal points.
Think of how people search on Google. Not every prospect knows the industry keywords and terminology that is used. Keep the language simple and to the point. The call to action buttons are passive. Oh, I can't. Okay.
Are you still working?
No. Are you sure? Okay, if you want to lose, I'll play you.
Go. Oh.
We got the industrial, whatchamacallit? Perfume diffuser. That's what it is.
The industrial perfume diffuser. Yeah, I feel like I'm in the Shangri-La. I've never been though, so this is the this is the closest it'll get. Have you ever stayed at a Motel 6 before?
Yeah, I have.
They're not that bad. 1990 or something, 1988. There was at the Oscars, the comedian got slapped.
Really?
Yep.
Who was it?
I don't know. but very similar scenario. And then all of a sudden, then of course, we all know about this one.
Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
4. I thought we've done like a couple a day.
Yeah, we do. I don't know, maybe we didn't keep track.
That is the new score. So the next one. What has 4 legs, smokes a pipe, but cannot walk, see, or talk?
A wood burning stove.
A stove.
That's what
I'm a ninja. You can't just get me on camera.
How did you hear me?
I sensed your presence. Well, the printer cuts double lines. So I'm going through and removing all the double lines. It's very tedious. So watch when I peel this one up, you'll be able to see. So shit.
It's like very thin around the letter, right?
Yeah,
How many words have you done so far?
I do. I'm gonna be here for the rest of the day. They are not that new. They're like 2 weeks old.
Oh,
2 weeks today, I think. No,
they look pretty fresh.
they're a week today.
Yeah, they look fresh.
It's like warning though. It's like
Let's
So
see.
that's like going away from
Clean.
Did you do the left one, Carmen?
Yeah.
Is it for, what's it for?
it's going to be for an email that we're going to send out to all of our clients and social media.
The orange one is more attention grabbing.
I think I'm going to post the orange one on social media, but I'm going to post the white one. I'm going to post the white one on our email.
Energy. Why the misty?
Yeah.
I think it reads everything.
I actually don't know.
Can you like sit down and then
Associated with meanings of joy, warmth, heart, sunshine, enthusiasm, creativity, creativity.
well, can you like I just sit down and then you do a video make
No.
it look like I'm like
I agree.
that's good. I'll put up
Johnny, you have a third monitor. It's called the projector.